Trablus, known historically as Ia, stands as the vibrant capital city of Libya, nestled on the country's northwestern coast. Its strategic position along the Mediterranean Sea has shaped its destiny for millennia, making it a crucial hub for trade and cultural exchange across North Africa. The city's roots stretch back to the 7th century BC, when Phoenician traders established a settlement here. It later flourished under Roman rule, forming one of the 3 cities of Tripolitania, from which its modern name is derived, meaning, 3 cities. This ancient heritage is still visible in remnants scattered throughout its historic core. Following the Roman era, Trablus experienced a series of conquests, most notably by the Arabs in the 7th century, which introduced Islam and Arabic culture, profoundly influencing its development. Subsequent periods saw rule by various Islamic dynasties, including the Fatimids and the Hafsids, each leaving their mark on the city's architecture and social fabric. The Ottoman Empire gained control of Trablus in the 16th century, ushering in a long period of Turkish administration. During this time, the city became a significant provincial capital, with new mosques, schools, and fortifications being built, many of which still stand today, contributing to the city's unique historical landscape. In the early 20th century, Trablus fell under Italian colonial rule. This period brought significant modernization, including the construction of new infrastructure, roads, and public buildings, transforming the city's layout and introducing a distinct European architectural style alongside its traditional elements. Libya's independence in 1951 saw Trablus cemented as the nation's capital, leading to rapid expansion and development. It became the administrative, economic, and cultural heart of the newly formed state, attracting people from across the country seeking opportunities. The Old City, or Medina, remains a captivating maze of narrow alleyways, bustling souks, and historic mosques, reflecting centuries of diverse influences. The Red Castle, or Asaraya al-Hamra, a sprawling complex overlooking the harbor, stands as a testament to the city's layered past, housing a museum that chronicles its rich history. Economically, Trablus serves as Libya's primary port and a vital center for the country's oil and gas industry. Its coastal location facilitates international trade, making it a gateway for goods and services, and a key driver of the national economy. Recent decades have presented significant challenges for Trablus, including periods of conflict and political instability. Despite these adversities, the city and its inhabitants have shown remarkable resilience, striving to rebuild and maintain their unique cultural identity. Today, Trablus continues to be a city of contrasts, where ancient history meets modern aspirations. It embodies the spirit of Libya, a place of enduring heritage, strategic importance, and a people determined to shape their future while honoring their profound past.